Looking for a clan in Survivor.io but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you how to find and join a clan in Survivor.io in just a few simple steps. First, open Survivor.io on your device. On the right side of the screen, tap on the house icon labeled Clan. This will take you to the clan section of the game. To join a clan, tap on the Join Clan button. In the input field, you can enter the clan name or the clan ID if you already know the specific clan you want to join. After entering the name or ID, tap the search icon to find that clan. If you don't have a clan name or ID, you can join one of the open clans. Enable the option called Show Open Clans Only, and the game will display only clans that accept members without approval. Another quick option is Auto Join. When you tap this button, the game will automatically place you into a clan that matches your account level and activity. You can also browse clans manually. Scroll down to see a list of available clans and check their level, activity, and other details. When you find a clan that looks good, tap on its icon to view more information, including clan members and clan stats. If you like what you see, tap Join Clan and you'll be added to the clan instantly. That's it. Joining a clan helps you progress faster and enjoy more features in Survivor.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.